Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio class from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. The global cues are rupee negative क्योंकि एक तरफ the Asian currency like the Chinese yuan is depreciating, approaching 7.2 on the USD CNH. दूसरी तरफ the Asian equity markets are trading lower. But this combination is having no impact on the USDINR spot reference in the offshore. It is trading lower 82 के आसपास. Now the domestic flows, मतलब जो corporate flows है, dollar flows, inflows, और जो FPI inflows है, that is quite robust. और जिसके कारण Indian rupee is able to outperform some of the Asian currencies like the Chinese currency. Now what is the path forward? Though it has been able to outperform, but it looks unlikely that Indian rupee will continue to appreciate on its own. तो हो सकता है we may see a range bound kind of a price move. जहाँ पे 81, 80, 85 is a support zone spot में और ऊपर में 82.30, 82.40 is the upper cap. So 81, 80, 82.40 is the broad range in which USDINR may trade for the next few days. हो सकता है this range can narrow further क्योंकि option जो positioning है उसके हिसाब से तो 82 and 82.30 के बीच the oscillation is expected to happen. That's what the option traders are betting on. So how to play? One is scalpers. Scalpers have been able to fare well in this very low volatile environment. Scalping में क्या होता है कि you get a move of 15 to 20 paisa on either side and then you start building contra positions with proper stop losses. So basically it is kind of a mean reversion kind of a trade. दूसरा है कि short straddles या short strangles. It's a fact that the implied volatility and option premium are hovering near record lows and it has been here for some months now. So one prudent way is that you reduce your position size क्योंकि जब risk reward is not so enticing, if you are trading you reduce your position size. And दूसरा, be nimble and prepared to either have a stop loss or do an adjustment in case there is a breach of the range. So keep that in mind. So short options and scalping are the two strategies which can be done. Again, about the scalping, you wait for a 15-20 paisa move in either direction. Let's say it comes down, then you buy with a stop loss, or it moves up, you sell with a stop loss. That's how it can be done. For the day, we expect 82 to offer very strong support on the futures and 82 20-25 to offer very strong resistance. Cross currencies में GBP will be in big focus today क्योंकि आज UK inflation है for the month of May and the market is expecting the inflation to fall not significantly but slightly from 8.7 April में to 8.4. अगर ये inflation reading comes much lower than expected, then we could see a negative impact on GBPINR क्योंकि last एक हफ्ते में or rather last 10 दिन में there has been a massive build up in open interest in GBPINR as the prices have surged. 102.50 वाला it went almost to 105.20 kind of levels. So ये sharp move was aided by massive build up in open interest. In fact, if you combine the futures and option OI, it is at a record. So इतना massive build up in long position makes the market vulnerable. एक, if the CPI comes in much lower. दूसरा, if the Bank of England sounds dovish after a hike, that is tomorrow. कल है Bank of England का policy meeting. But it also offers immense opportunity for option traders in GBPINR. एक, you can express your view through options like a call spread or a put spread. Some may even think of doing outright buy in a call or put, but that is much better than trying to express the view through a GBPINR futures क्योंकि वहाँ पे if you're wrong the losses can be significantly higher. So options are quite liquid. You can look at GBPINR options on NSE to express your view on these two events. आज UK CPI कल Bank of England का policy meeting और उसके साथ because the expiry is less than a week away on the GBPINR June end options. So once these event passes, we might see a lot of interest from the option sellers to come into the market. क्योंकि जो option sellers होते हैं, they like to operate in options with less than 8-9 days to expiry. मतलब जब से expiry is around 8 days or less, तब the theta bleed or the decline in the time value is quite rapid. इसके लिए the option sellers जो है, they tend to concentrate on options with expiry of around 8 days or less. And that's exactly where the GBPINR options are fitting. So once the event passes, we may see a lot of interest from the straddle sellers, strangle sellers in GBPINR options to sell that to benefit from the premium. क्योंकि generally event के पहले और event के बाद अगर एक volatility हो जाता है, उसके बाद the market may enter a range, and that's a perfect opportunity for the option sellers. So keep an eye on the GBPINR options on NSE, where open interest is at a record. So it's catching a lot of liquidity, but keep your position sizes small. That is more important. It is not like USDINR that you can execute a large trade. Keep your position sizes to 50 lots or less. And it is better to play safe than to be too aggressive in the options market in GBPINR. इसके अलावा the next major event is going to be the Fed chairman Jerome Powell का testimony to Senate Banking Committee आज और कल है, तो इसका major impact will happen tonight. So उसका impact will also flow into the crosses and USDINR as well. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.